In this quick video, we'll show you how to generate a service reminder report in Gas Engineer software. This report can be used to quickly identify which of your customers has an upcoming service due date, or haven't had their appliance serviced in quite some time, and provide you with their contact details. Reminders can be sent via email or SMS, but not all of your customers will check their inbox, and some might not even have an email. To generate the report, you'll need to head to the web portal on your browser. Once you've logged in, click the Reports button in the top menu. Here there are two options, one for gas and one for oil. The process is the same for both. In this example, we'll walk through creating a gas servicing report, so we'll click Create here. In this window, you'll see all of the job addresses which have a service due date set in the software. You'll also be able to see the customer, contact number, email address, and the service due date. Just above this is a date range filter. This allows you to generate a more specific report for, let's say, all your customers that have a service due date within June or July. This toggle allows you to ignore the year, so it could be this June or next June. To generate the report, click Export Report, and that CSV file will be downloaded onto your computer. You can open this file in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and it will show all the properties for your selected date range, together with all the contact details and due date. If you want to send your customers a letter through the post, you can click Print All Customer Letters and Print All Tenant Letters to download a file with everything already written. Simply print and post. The contents of the letters are generated from your gas service reminder email template, which can be edited in your settings. To do that, click on Settings, Manage under Service Reminders and Email Templates, and then Edit under Annual Gas Service Reminders. We hope that helps. For any additional questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us by ringing 0207 129 7058 or emailing support@gasengineersoftware.co.uk.